Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. A huge thank you to everyone who liked my last video, who subscribed, who left a comment. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I will be getting my nails done. I will be showing you step by step how I get my acrylic nails done. So please watch till the end and I hope that you enjoy the process.
So I've already selected all the right sized nail tip for each nail. So I'll just go on to add some glue and apply all the nail tips to the fingernail. After I'm done with that, I head on to get my nail cutter, or you could use a scissors, and I just trim the nail down to the desired length. Today I'm not doing it too long. It's quite short today. So it's on to the next after we have finished the first hand, and we always make sure that it's the same length, so we do a little check, and yeah, just continue trimming. I'm still trying to get a little bit better with my left hand, y'all, so bear with me. Now I'm satisfied with the length. I go ahead and trim the sides. Since I'll be doing rounded tips, it will be way easier when I'm about to file them. So yes, the next step is filing, obviously. Trying not to file too much of my natural nail. I'm using a 180 grade file. Yeah, so now I'm just filing around the edges to get the desired shape. So it's on to the next after we file till we get the desired shape we're looking for, our rounded tips, and then it's on to the primer application. We always prime our nails before packing the acrylic. So we prime both hands, all 10 fingers. Now we've come to the best part. It's time for the acrylic application. So yeah, we dip the brush in some acrylic liquid, then some powder to collect a bead. We place it and spread. We do this for all the fingers, and today I'm doing a pattern. It's nude on my pinky, middle and thumb, and on the other fingers we're going to do some glitter. So just stay watching, guys. And now it's time to do my right hand. It always gets a bit tricky when I have to use my left hand, but hey, I got this. I'm basically doing the same pattern as I did on the left hand. Nude on the pinky, the middle and thumb, and glitter on the other two fingers. I always like to apply a thin coat of clear acrylic before applying the glitter. And we seal the glitter with a thin coat of clear acrylic as well. Okay, it's time for filing. So today I'll be doing everything manually. I won't be using any electric drills or anything of that sort. This is kind of like the trickiest part because you have to ensure that you file it to perfection. This is like the most important part. This is where you get the shape of the nail. So you have to be very focused on the filing. The final product depends greatly on this part, so it can take a while, guys. So this is the final product after filing. I now go on with my top coat. My nails are already cleaned off from the filing. I washed my hands off. So now I'm just going to go in with my top coat and give it a little After top coat, we go in with some cuticle oil, and yes, we do so for all the fingers. And that is it for our acrylic nails. We're done.
Thank you all for watching so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment. See you all again in my next video. Bye.